Hello everyone, it's me, Reza, your instructor. I want to give you an introduction to Module 1. We will learn about rational numbers in this module. In a simple language, if you can write a number in fraction form, that is a rational number. These are the objectives that you are expected to learn by the end of Module 1. How to find an equivalent fractions, how to multiply two or more fractions, how to divide fractions, how to add and subtract fractions. Order of operations. If you remember, PEMDAS stands for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. Or if you love food like me, you can use People Eat McDonald's and Sonic. We will talk about it more in this module. We will also go over applying order of operations with integers and fraction. If you learn this module, you will enjoy the rest of the modules and have an easy time understanding them. Good luck and do not worry. I'm always here for you. You know how to reach me.